Hey everyone, I'm Jennifer Reekers, Doctor of Audiology with Amdahl Hearing in our Maple Grove location. So today we're just going to chat real briefly about how do I know if I have hearing loss? Hearing loss typically occurs pretty gradually. So sometimes for the individual, it's hard to know, if they're having hearing loss. And so I often share with folks that because hearing loss is gradual, you may assume that your hearing is normal. What you know is what you feel. Well, this is my normal. You have your normal, I have my normal. And so a lot of folks feel like they're getting by just fine. We'll chat about that. One of the main symptoms of hearing loss, folks typically say, well, I feel like I can hear. I don't have a problem with my hearing, but I'm having a hard time understanding, and especially understanding when I'm in background noise. So when I go to church, or I go to the restaurants, or I go out to the sports bar, you find yourself not being able to quite follow along, maybe having to lean in and strain and stress in those environments. So another sign of hearing loss is feeling exhausted after attending social events. If you find yourself avoiding social situations. So maybe there's places you like to go, or there's a restaurant and you think, okay, well, I don't want to go there because I can't, I struggle, I follow along in that environment. So that can be a sign of hearing loss. If your friends or loved ones, if they feel that your television or your radio is at a loud volume, that can be a sign. Quite often your spouse, your loved ones notice that you're struggling because they're, again, on the outside and they're seeing you increase that volume. Perhaps you're asking for repetition. You're saying what? You're saying huh? Can you repeat that? So those are some signs that you yourself may see, or again, a friend or loved one may see. Another sign of hearing loss is if you're not sure where sounds are coming from. We call that localization. So that can be a sign. One other sign of hearing loss is tinnitus. Pronounced tinnitus or tinnitus. That is a sound that you may hear in your ears or your head that's not actually present in your environment. So tinnitus also can be an indicator of hearing loss. So again, that's just a brief but short list of some of the main signs of hearing loss that we see. If you're curious, if you're concerned, if you just don't know, just have your hearing tested. As audiologists, we make the process it's easy, it's painless, and most folks are just pleasantly surprised with the ease of the process and having access to their auditory information that is explained during the consultation. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, our team here at Amdahl Hearing, we would love to help you out. So let us know if you've got any questions, and look forward to more information from us, as we are really happy to help. Thank you.